Hi everyone! Today I'm going to teach you how to operate your BMW convertible top using your key fob. Before I come back, please click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll be back. Hi everyone, this is my BMW M6 competition convertible. It is the F12 version which has the soft top convertible top. And today I'm going to teach you how to operate your convertible top using your BMW key fob outside the car. Some of you ask me, hey EJ, can I do that? Of course, so you don't have to go inside the car and use that button in the middle console to open and close the convertible top anymore. Anyway, let's do it. In order to open your convertible top, you have to press the unlock button once. By the way, there are 4 buttons on your key fob. The first one is the unlock button, the lock button, the trunk release button, and the emergency alarm button. So, in order to open the convertible top, you want to click the unlock button once, and you hear the beep. Then you want to hold the unlock button until the whole entire convertible top is open. And we're gonna hold it, okay? Don't release it. There you go. And do not release the button until the whole convertible top cycle is completed, okay? There you go. Isn't that cool? Just keep holding it and the car will beep when it is completed. There you go. Now you can release. And in order to close the convertible top, it's really easy. You just have to click the lock button once. It beeps, and then we're gonna hold it the second time, okay? This again, the same procedure. Don't release it until the whole convertible top is closed. So we're gonna press it again, but we're gonna hold it this time, okay? There you go. Now you can see it. Isn't that cool? That you can operate the convertible top outside your car using the key fob. So this is a cool feature. If you haven't owned a BMW convertible before, this is what you can do, okay? If you just bought a BMW convertible, you can actually operate the convertible top using your key fob outside your car. The thing is, you cannot be very far away from the car. Let's say there is certain distance I can move, near the car, then you can do it. You can't be like too far from the car. The key fob has to be in the range, okay, of your BMW. So yeah, so that's all there is to it. Anyway, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. Love you guys. Bye.